Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
Where we put the TV on the wall. And then it was before. Coffee table underneath it and a shelf underneath it. Is this too tall? So when you put a monitor in here, is it going to be in the way of the TV? Yeah, because you plug in the back. And you have separate switches to turn it on. We can get it, and then we just, don't use this, but I'm telling you, I don't know if this is too tall for how they buy it. So you got spots in that thing. If you want. Well, I'm gonna have them find it anyway. Okay. Yeah, everything's on the So, what do you think this is? Okay, here's the keyboard tray. Yeah. So this comes out. Oh, that's where you think the paint is. Oh, this is little pencils. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Okay, you're gonna go get into this rack.
Not much to see, just a quick walkthrough. We'll come back another day when there's more to see besides broken battery-operated tools. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.